How to use Amazon Prime Video from an iPhone. To access Amazon Prime Video from your iPhone, you first need to download the Prime Video app. Once you have the app downloaded, sign in with your Amazon account. You now have access to Prime Video and all of its titles that it includes. From the home screen, you can find different titles available to you from Prime and sorted by different topics. These are often the most popular options and recommended to you by Prime. At the top of your screen, you'll see various tabs. If you select the TV shows tab, you can view the different TV shows that Prime has, including their own Amazon Prime originals. The Movies tab shows various films that are featured. And Kids has family-friendly titles perfect for your little ones. If you're searching for a specific topic, you can always click the search button at the bottom of your screen and type in an actor, title, or genre that you're looking for. Once you see a series or movie that you're interested in and want to watch it or find out more information, click the thumbnail. Here you'll be provided with a quick synopsis of the title. If it's a TV show, you'll also see a list of episodes and their individual details. By selecting more details, you can see the genre, customer reviews, and some interesting information. To watch the title, simply click the play button. If you want to add this title to your watch list so that you have easy access to it for a later date, simply click the plus sign and it will be added to your watch list. The Amazon Prime app allows you to download titles so that you can watch it on the go when you're not connected to Wi-Fi or internet. To download the episode or the movie, just click the download icon. If you no longer want to download the title, just click cancel download. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see a downloads tab, and this is where you can find any titles that you've downloaded to watch on the go. Under the My Stuff tab, you'll find any titles that you've added to your watch list for easy access. Under the Purchases tab, you'll also find any films or TV shows that you've rented or bought through Amazon Prime Video. And that's how to use Amazon Prime Video from an iPhone. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.